Have you ever needed to compare two text files, one on your local machine and the other on a remote server? It can be a bit tricky, right? If that's you, stick around because today we're diving into how to use Beyond Compare for this exact task. I totally understand your frustration. You might be used to using the command line with diff, and now you're trying to make Beyond Compare work for you. You're not alone in this. Many users face similar challenges when switching tools. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. A user asked how to compare a local text file with a remote one using Beyond Compare. They mentioned using a command with SSH and diff, but when they tried to use Beyond Compare, only the local file showed up. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So what's happening here? Beyond Compare is a powerful tool, but it handles remote files differently than command line tools. Understanding this difference is key to solving the issue. And don't go anywhere. I have a great workaround for you at the end that will make this process much smoother. To compare a remote file with a local file using Beyond Compare, the user should first ensure that Beyond Compare is installed on their local machine. Next, the user needs to set up a temporary local file that contains the content of the remote file. This can be done by using the SSH command to copy the remote file to the local machine. Now, the user can open Beyond Compare and select the two files they want to compare. They should choose the temporary local file and the original local file. After selecting the files, the user can click on the Compare button to view the differences between the two files side by side. Finally, once the comparison is complete, the user can delete the temporary file to keep their workspace clean. Fun fact, Beyond Compare was originally designed for programmers, but now it's a favorite among writers and editors too. Who knew comparing files could be so versatile? Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution for comparing remote and local files in Beyond Compare is to use the Quick Connect feature. First, select the FTP profile and choose the SFTP protocol. Then enter your host, port, username, and password. After saving these details, you can connect and access the remote file system to select any file or folder you want to compare. Here's the workaround I promised. By using the SFTP connection in Beyond Compare, you can seamlessly compare files without the hassle of command line commands. And there you have it. You can now compare local and remote files using Beyond Compare with ease. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button for more tips, and remember to share your own experiences in the comments.